Okay, so today we're gonna make spicy scrambled tofu. So the main ingredients would be 1 kilogram of soft tofu, about 1 stalk of coriander leaves finely chopped, 2 green chilies finely chopped, 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of black pepper powder, and 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. Here we have about 2 large tomatoes finely chopped, and here we have 1 large onion finely chopped as well. Okay, so here we have about 4 tablespoons of oil heated up. So now we insert our cumin seeds. Once it starts to splutter, then insert our chopped onions. Stir fry for about 3 to 5 minutes until the onions are softened. Okay, so now that the onions are softened, we can insert our chopped green chilies and also our chopped tomatoes. Now just give it a good stir. So at this point, you will need to stir fry this mixture of onion, tomatoes and green chilies for about another 5 more minutes until the tomatoes turn mushy. Okay, so now that the tomatoes have turned mushy, we can insert our next ingredient, which is our mixture of turmeric powder, chili powder and black pepper powder. Now we'll just give them a good stir. So this paste and the powder mixture will have to stir fry for about 2 to 3 minutes until the raw smell is gone and you can smell slightly fragrant smell of spices. Then only you can insert the next ingredient. Okay, so now that our paste has softened, so our next ingredient to be put in is our tofu. So this is our tofu. So just pour them all in and give them a good stir. It's okay if you are gonna poke and break more of the tofu. It's called spicy scrambled tofu, so it's okay if you want to keep poking on it or making it into a smaller piece. So we just have to let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes time. Then later on we'll garnish it with some coriander leaves and it is ready to be served.